Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding new contacts to your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. First, open the Contacts app on your phone. In Contacts, tap on the plus icon at the top of the page. If you tap the drop-down arrow in the top left corner, you can choose where your contact will be saved to. You can choose between your Samsung account, your phone, your SIM or SIM2 if you have two installed, or your Google account. Fill in your new contact's name and number. You can also add their email and add them to a group, among other things. Tap View More to add more info for your new contact. Tap Save at the bottom of the page. You can also add contacts in the phone app. To do this, open up the phone app and choose Contacts at the bottom. Tap the plus icon at the top right of the Contacts page. Then, like before, add their name and number. Choose where you would like the contact to be stored and then tap Save. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.